Find the value of the resistor having a red, orange, and gold color. Coding po natin. Di ba pag teacher, pag sinabi ng resistor, it is one, no, of the components of a semiconductor, no, that does not allow the flow of current po natin. No? That stops, that intervenes, that resists the flow of current po natin. Now, definitely, to stop them, no, they have this what do we call as certain mga values kung magkano dapat ang isang resistor natin. At kung yung makita teachers, yung mga resistors natin, very colorful sila. And that color is what we call as the band itself. No? Hindi lang yan color teachers ha. May functions po yung bawat isa niyan. Uy, bilis makasagot ha. Sabi ng iba dito is letter A daw sir, 22,000 ohms and 5%. Okay. Teachers, gold po yung ating tinatawag na ano, no? Hold on. No? Teachers, gold po. Meaning to say, 5% automatic. Eh, lahat sila 5%. So, wala kang matatanggal dyan. Diba? Pangalawa, red, orange, and gold color. Now, ano nga ulit yung turo ko sa inyo with regards to the mnemonics of this one? What is the mnemonics of this resistor natin, the color of our resistor natin? It's just very basic teachers. No? What was the mnemonics for this color natin? Have you remembered this one? B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife named Gussie. Oh, di ba kasi sabi kasi natin doon last time, no? Bad boy raped our young girl, but Violeta gave in willingly, di ba? Oh. So teachers, medyo harsh yun eh. No? Medyo harsh yun. So punta tayo dun sa medyo mas mas soothing pakinggan. Di ba? Baby Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife named Gussie. Okay lang po ba pakinggan yun? Di ba? Di ba? So, yun. Teachers, go. No? B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife named Gussie. Di ba? Minsan yung iba, sabi ng iba kasi, bad boy rape our young girl but Violeta gave willingly. No? Hanggang dito ka lang, nasaan doon si silver at saka si gold. Di ba? So dapat teachers, kompleto dapat, no? BB ROY as Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife named Gussie. Di ba? Dapat yun. No? So teachers, if we are going to take a look on this one, this is a mnemonics in which case each of the letter contains a specific color. Tama? Each of the letter contains a specific color. Now, what does the first B color? What is the first color here for B? What's the first color for B? Very good, black. What's the next color? Brown. R for red. Next, O for orange. Y for yellow. G for green. B for blue. V for violet. G for gray. And then W for white. Tolerance, gold. Silver. Di ba? Ayun, teachers, wag niyo po yung kakalimutan yung ating tinatawag na color coding po natin sa ating resistor natin. No? B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife named Gussie. So always remember that black will always be the very first letter or the very first color in the resistor value po natin. And it's just very simple. You start with 0, everything will be fine. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, di ba? Sir, these are the bands. These are the significant figure for each band po natin. Di ba? Madali lang yung teachers ha. This is a very easy thing to calculate. Wag na wag niyo pong kakalimutan. No? Kasi minsan takot kasi kayo eh. No? Takot kasi kayo magkakamali. So andito tayo ngayon so that we will be learning. Okay? Now, ang tanong, if we go back to the questions once again, if we go back to the question, there is this how many colors? How many colors in the question ulit? Ilang kulay ang hinahanap natin? That is 4 na kulay or 4 na kulay, sir. Therefore, red, red, orange, and gold. Therefore, we are going to use the 4-band resistor natin. Okay? We will be using the 4-band resistor natin. Now, kanina, alam natin kung what is, di ba? That one. Now, first and foremost, ipakilala natin teachers kung sino si 3-band resistor. Si 3-band resistor teachers, ito po isang uri ng resistor na kung saan tatlong kulay lang po yung kanyang lumabas. The first 2-digit or the first 2 colors are called significant figures. And the next digit is what we call as our multiplier. Example, try it on your end, teachers, ha? I'll give an example. Brown, red, green. Tell me what is the resistance of this one. Nah? Tell me what is the resistance value for this one, brown, red, and green. Ha? Brown, red, at saka green. What is then the resistance value? Very simple, sir. The first color should be on the outermost number. So it's 1. Tama? Tapos, ang gagawin mo kay red, di ba? Ayan, ilagay mo siya sa gilid kay brown. So red is 2 and that becomes 12. Our third color is a multiplier. So multiply green by how much? Green is 100,000. Therefore, what is then the correct answer here? Di ba? What's the correct answer? Hala. No? That is 120. That is 1,200 ohms. Is it correct? Is it correct? That's 1,000. Is it 1,200 ohms? Tama ba yung sagot natin? O mali? Di ba? Nare-realize niyo, di ba? What's the correct answer here? Ha? What's the correct answer here? Very good. It should be, ayan. Hindi po dapat, sir, 1,200 lang po. It should be having this natin. Di ba? 1,200 kilo ohm is the value of this 3-digit natin na resistor. Teachers, nakuha po ba paano si-solve natin? Ha? Very good sa mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Na? Nakuha po ba, teachers? O, example ulit. Sa 3-band resistor pa rin tayo, ha? Eto, sir. Orange. Red. Tapos black. Tell me the resistance value of this resistor. Orange, red, and black. Tell me the resistance value of this resistor natin. Very good. So we have orange is 3. Ilagay sa gilid si 2 dahil po red is 2. Tama? Multiplier natin is magkano? Black, 1. Therefore, that is 32 ohms resistor natin. Teachers, very easy lang ano? Di ba? Sir, paano na po yun kapag wala kaming copy? No? Pag wala kayong copy, teachers, very simple lang po yun. Why? No? Across all field teachers ng ating resistance value natin, the same lahat ng color arrangement, the same lahat ng significant figure arrangement, at the same lahat ng mga multiplier arrangement po natin. No? Yun naman pala. No? So always start with 0 for black and then white for 9. And the rest of it, i-align mo lang po yan sila according to the smallest to greatest number, whole number po natin. Now, eto naman yung 4-band teachers. Yung 4-band po natin, the same lang din po. No? Kaya nga lang, si first 2-digit there are our significant figure. The third digit is, the third color, is our multiplier. And the last color, teachers, is not anymore the multiplier. But then, it was already our tolerance. Diba? It's already our tolerance. Now, we now have tolerance here. Now, tell me, what is the color? If this, what is the resistance value? If it is brown, blue, orange, tapos silver. Gigo, tell me the resistance value of the resistor having these colors. We have brown, blue, orange, and silver. Go. Calculate it on your end, teachers. Practice, practice, practice para hindi kayo malito at the later part. What's the value? Huh? Again, the colors are brown, blue, orange, and silver. Therefore, what should be the value that we will be looking for? Ha? Bakit po ba 5%? Silver po yung ating tolerance. And silver is at 5%. That is 10%. Tama? Oh, di ba? Ayan. Isa-isa natin ha. Una, brown. Brown is 1. Tama? Brown is 1. Tapos, blue. Magkano? 6. What is our multiplier? Orange is our multiplier. It's times 1,000. Very easy. That is 16,000 ohms plus minus 10%. Sir, saan po nanggaling yung 10%? Kay silver. Silver is 10% while gold is 5%. Nakuha po ba? Madali lang ano? No, di ba? Madali lang po. Bakit po ba kayo takot kayo sa sa resistor value natin? Hindi naman 'to nakakatakot, teachers. Sadyang you need to familiarize lang talaga. Di ba? Madali lang po siya, sir. Okay. Minsan, teachers, tinatanong pa kayo sa board exam, yung 5 kulay. There are instances na 5 po yung kulay na binabanggit doon. Now, kapag 5 kulay, teachers, what will happen is that the first 3-digit will be your significant figures. Again, the first 3-digit or the first 3 colors will be your significant figures. And then, the 4th color is your multiplier and the 5th color is your tolerance. Tatandaan nyo po yan palagi. Di ba? Kapag 4 colors lang po, teachers, no? The first 2-digit is our significant figure. The first 2 colors are significant figure. The third color is our multiplier and the last color is our tolerance. However, kapag binibigyan kayo ng 5 kulay sa resistor po natin, malamang ang 3 kulay na yon, the first 3 colors of it, signifies your significant figure. Tapos yung pang-apat na kulay na yon is your multiplier. Tapos pang-limang kulay is your tolerance. Bibigyan ko yan ng example. Ito, red, brown, black, yellow, gold. Red, brown, black, yellow, and gold. What is then its resistance value? Go. Bakit po nagnganga tayo, sir? Again, ha? Ah, kay bilis-bilis, Ma'am Janet Boyras, di ba? Gold po is 5%. So, positive, negative 5%. Tama nga naman. But let's try to see later on. No? Di ba? Memorize nyo talaga the kulay, teachers. Teachers, no? The color you should memorize. Kaya nga kayo na, B.B. Roy of Great Britain and a very good wife, Gussie. Teachers, hindi naman po nakakasama na susulatan po ninyo yung inyong mga test questionnaire. No? Teachers, hindi po nakakasama, once again, na susulatan po ang inyong mga test questionnaire, wag lang yung answer sheet. Alam nyo, napakarumi ng test questionnaire ko during the last board exam. Bakit? Kasi I wanted to rationalize all answers there. No? Kaya nga ginuguhitan ko, binibilugan ko, binobold out ko, nag-slash ako, kahit ano na ginagawa ko. As long as for me to eliminate that thing. And of course, for this one, I try to draft them in mismo sa aking paper. Di ba? Sa aking paper. So, teachers, hindi talaga nakakasama, no? Yung paglalagay ng mga clue sa inyong mga test questionnaire po natin. Di ba? Bakit yung iba tahimik lang? Si Mark ba kayo? Si Mark tahimik lang, di ba? Kasi calculation na naman. Ganon, no? Teachers, let's try to calculate them all. So, since 5 po ang kulay na ibinigay dito, therefore, the first 3 color will be isolated automatically and they will be placed automatic to significant figures. Tama? Red. What's the number of red? BB Roy. BB Roy. So, 0, 1, 2. Ayun, 2. Brown, 1. Tapos, black is 0. Our multiplier is yellow, that is times 10,000. Tapos teachers, that's positive, negative 5%. Our tolerance value po natin. Therefore, that becomes how much? Diba? That becomes how much na naman ngayon? Calculate nyo na nga lang. That's 210 multiplied by 10,000. Diba? That is 2.1 million po natin. 2,100,000. And if we're going to divide it by 1,000 so that makanta na ng letter K, that becomes 2,100 kilo ohms plus minus 5% natin. Di ba? Teachers, kaya pa? 5 kulay pa yan, teachers. May gagawin pa kayong 6 na kulay. No? 5 kulay pa yan. No? Pag ito lumabas, hindi na ako magbibintot. Bakit po, ma'am? Kasi alam niyo na po ba, di ba? Papasa na yan, di ba? Ito. Teachers, 6 na kulay yung ibinibigay. Now, sa 6 na kulay, teachers, the same rule applies to the 5th or the 5 color resistor po natin. Kaya nga lang, the 6th color is not anymore your tolerance. The 6th color is what do we call as your temperature coefficient. Pero teachers, hindi naman talaga tinatanong sa board exam about what is the 6th temperature coefficient for that one. No? Minsan, pag hinahanapan kayo na what is the 6th color of the resistor represent to, the answer there should be temperature coefficient natin yan. No? Oh, that is temperature coefficient. That is the sixth color that is found on our resistor po natin. No? Yun lang, teachers, for our what we call as resistance value po natin. Going back to the mnemonics, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife named Gussie. Yun dapat yun, di ba? So again, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife, Gussie. So B stands for, the first B is black, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5% and then 10%. Yun lang, teachers, with regards to our resistor color po natin. Nga pa rin po ba lahat? Nga pa rin po ba? O sige, di ko na kayo bibigyan ng ano ha, ng ano dito. Ito, red, black, orange, gold. Di ba? Red, black, orange, and gold. What is the resistance value? Go. Di ba? Red, black, orange, and gold. What is the resistance value here? Oh, wala na yan. Wala na yung sample sa harapan dyan. Di ba? Wala na, sir. Sir, nilalagnat na nga ako. Mas lalo akong lalagnatin talaga dito. Di ba? Yan. Teachers, red. What's value for red natin? That is 2. Tama. Diba since 4 colors to, di ba? So the first 2 here is what we call as our significant figure. Tapos our multiplier, and then so this is what we call our tolerance here. Therefore, the first 2, so red and black is 0 multiplied by, our multiplier is orange. Orange is multiplier. Magkano si orange? Di ba multiplier of orange is 10, 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Tama po ba? Di ba? So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, tapos 10,000, tapos 100,000. Ganun dapat yan, di ba? So, since orange belongs to 1,000, that becomes times 1,000. So, definitely plus minus 5%. Therefore, that is 20K ohms plus minus 5%. Sino pa dito ang nalilito? Raise your hand sa mga nalilito pa dito ngayon. I'll give you another example. Another example tayo ha. Hindi muna tayo ano? Another example, teachers. One more example ha. Nakuha po ba? Bibigyan ko kayo lang 5. 5 kulay. 5 kulay ha, 5 kulay. No? Para sa teachers, it's as if we are in the classroom here, di ba? We will not proceed unless everybody can understand. Another color, teachers, is brown, orange, tapos brown ulit, tapos black, tapos silver. Go! Tell me what is the resistance value here. Go! Brown, orange, brown, black, and silver. What is the resistance value here? 131 plus minus 10%. Let's try to see if tama ba. Teachers, 5 kulay po ang ibinigay po ninyo. Therefore, automatic po siya, teachers, na the first 3 colors are our significant figures po natin. Tama? The fourth color, teachers, is our multiplier, and the next color, teachers, is our tolerance po natin. Brown is 1. Orange is 3. Brown is 1. Our multiplier is black. The black is 1 times 1 tapos plus minus silver is 10, di ba? Silver is 10, therefore that becomes 131 ohms plus minus 5%. Nagets niyo na, teachers? Nakuha niyo na kung paano natin ito kinuha? Di ba ano? Okay, wag niyo lang po yung kakalimutan ha. Sa mga po teachers, sa mga sa mga gusto pong mag-aral ulit dito, no, since this recorded naman, teachers, babalikan niyo na lang po. Okay? Now, going back to the question, teachers, find the value of the resistor. Having a red, orange, and gold, we are going to remember that apat na kulay po. Therefore, si red and red are our first significant figure natin. Si orange is our multiplier, and si gold is our tolerance. Therefore, going back, BB Roy, no? So, B Roy. O, ayun. So, di ba ito yung 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, red and red, that is 2 and 2, tama? Orange is a multiplier, so 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Tama? So, times 1,000. Tapos, our gold is plus minus 5%. Therefore, the correct answer here is 22 kilo ohms plus minus 5%. Therefore, that speaks on the choice letter A. Madali lang ano? Di ba? Madali lang, teachers, kapag nakuha nyo na po, kapag na-memorize nyo na po yung mga colors po natin. Ulit, that is BB Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife named Gussie. Ayun.